welcome to my math lessons. I decided I have nothing else to do with my time, so I figured I'm gonna start teaching. This is your first video. It may be the last, but we'll see. The homework for tomorrow, or what we're doing tomorrow, is lesson 15-8. So everybody turn to page 901 in their book. Okay, let's read. It wants you to design a flag made of 15 equal shares. Use rows and columns. We all know right now and our columns are, right? We sure do. So it's like, what are these? My daughter is filming us right now. She's cracking up. So what are these? Gee, you can even answer. It's like, what are these? Are these rows or columns?
Columns!
Okay, and are these
rows?
We should get Ariana here. Where is Ariana? All right, flag designs. So they want us to make a flag with 15 equal shares. The book shows that little, that square, which is a triangle, and a quadrilateral, right guys? So quadrilateral, remember, has 4. The rectangle has 4 sides too, and so does the square. It's a little bit confusing with the whole quadrilateral business. But anyway, so that's what they're showing there over there. So they want us to do 2 possible flag designs. 2. Okay, not 1, but 2. All right, so we're gonna start with our first prop. This is my flag. It's a little bit messy, but I chose to hold the paper like this so you guys see that they're not glued. That's why they're moving around. You guys see here with my, it's falling. My flag is gonna be, we've got 1, 2, 3, what are they called?
Rows!
3 rows, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns! Exactly. And that's how I was able to make the design for this first flag, just like that. So they asked me about the equation. So I'm gonna say it out loud, but I should write it too, but I don't even have a chalkboard or anything. I'm just in my kitchen here. Maybe my camera lady can get us. So when we basically are gonna figure this out, it's 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals, right? That's how we're gonna do that one. Uh-oh, my water's boiling. I'm making pasta for the kids. Okay, so in the past you drew the flag in a different way. So all we really have to do is, camera lady, can I possibly get a pen? Or a pencil? It's math, right? Pencil. Okay, so let's hold the second design like that. Look at that shape. It's the very same squares, the same amount of squares. We're just holding it a different way, like that. So this time, this equation is going to be, okay, so I'm gonna say it, and then I'm gonna read it. So this equation will be, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so let's write that one down. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals. See, that was the first, so that's one of the equations. And then I think in the book it asks for 2 equations. So the other way, if you guys remember, the other way was this way, right? Did 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So it's a different equation. 2 different ways of doing it. But boys and girls, every single square was pretty much the same no matter which way I turned it. But we first looked at it like this, then we looked at it like that. So in each flag, what is the number of squares?
15.
Good job, Gia. It's too bad my second grader isn't here for the lesson. Where is she anyway? Where is is she?
Cleaning.
Oh, she's cleaning the room. Yeah, oh, she's cleaning the basement. I made her clean the basement, so she's out of this one. Okay, I'll teach her later. Okay, so we got that. Let's go on our next page. Guys, let's move it along here. I gotta make dinner. The water's boiling. All right, everybody, we need to move it along now because my water's boiling and I gotta get dinner ready. And let's all turn to the next page. So it says that Sam over here, here's Sam, he is gonna design a square quilt. The quilt must have 4 colors with an equal share for each color. So let's think about that. It's gonna have 4 colors with an equal share. I wonder if I could do that over there on my flag, which now I won't make it a flag, now make the flag a quilt. Do you think we could do that? Okay, pasta, okay, here we go. So on the next page, it says that now remember Sam is going to design this quilt. No longer a flag, we're going with the quilt. Help Sam make 2 designs. How can I look for things that repeat in the problem? I can count the small squares in each share in my first design. That will help me draw the shares in the second design. Basically, he's saying he's gonna do it the easy way to start, and then we're gonna figure it out. Okay, so let's repeat. We have a square, and they wanted to do 4 colors. Oh, here's Ariana. Okay, yay, you can come in. Maybe you could see if you could help understand this. She's been working hard on the basement. Oh, just so you know what. Quick, click a bunny. Okay. Why don't you stand over here, Ari?
Okay.
Okay, so this guy, he's got a square, and he said he wants to make it he wants 4 colors, 4 shares. 4, got it? 4 colors, 4 shares. So we got our square, and we went ahead and made, actually, oh, it's beeping. Okay, you know what? Let's see if Ariana can do this. And we'll see if Ariana can do this, and I'll go dump the water, okay?
How am I supposed
So, viewers,
Hi.
so we've got the square, okay? We want to do it 4 colors, 4 different ways. So if you see the picture Sam did over here for the first design, okay? So see if you can do that
Okay.
like that. And I'll just dump the pot. Some of these squares for the project. Ariana did it to start. So it's 4. Someone's in the room. Does Ariana's dad want to say hi? Come on and say hi.
Looks like a traffic light with orange.
Okay. Thanks for the input over there. Okay, we're getting distracted and the viewers need to know the math lesson. So, okay, Lexi, out of the way here. Ariana did 4 yellows this way. She did 4 reds this way. She did 4 orange here and 4 green here. So, it is, everyone is 4 shares. 4, 4, 4, and 4. And I noticed she did it this way to start. The Sam in the book said it to do it the same way. So she went ahead and did it the second way already. He made a face at me. I'm wondering what it means. Annoying. I think he was making fun of me. Do you think that he was making fun of me? I think he was. Okay, so Ariana did it the second way first. So this is great. You still see it's equal. Again, can we repeat? 4, 4, 4, and 4. And then let's shake it up. And we're going to do another design because that's what they want to do. That's what they said. Sam wants to do 2 designs. Can you do like that exact design? Okay. Well, there you have it. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in on Ariana. in like the four corners, in the way like the first example that Sam in the book showed you. It's we've got 4 reds here in the corner. We've got 4 greens here in the corner. We've got 4 oranges over here in the corner. We've got 4 yellow. And it's the same thing. So if we wanted to figure out how many squares were in all of this, then we could do,
I got it.
oh, okay. You know what? We did make pasta, we also ordered food, and that's the doorbell. So let's still tell the viewers, okay, quick.
Okay.
So we are gonna add up all the squares and we can do what plus what plus what plus what. What do we do? So it's what plus what plus what plus what.
4. I know.
No, she knows it. 4, 8,
12.
12,
16.
16, exactly. And do you remember the way Ariana did it before? How many was that?
16.
Exactly, 16. I think we're gonna break there because everybody's hungry and I see little faces. So let's stop right there. Okay, welcome back. Now that we saw Ariana made those 4 equal squares in 2 different ways, we know that we can take a rectangle and we can put 16 squares and rearrange it in all different ways. And then when we have 4 of them, when we have 4 pieces, where's my red? Where is my red piece? I'm gonna have to cut another one. All right. I must have gotten lost with dinner. Okay. Here we go. There we go. So when we have 4 pieces of red, this is 1/4. 1/4 of rectangle. And these are all equal pieces. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals blank. Okay. Here we go. Oh, are you looking tired? My cameraman's looking a little bit tired. I feel like she's about to fall asleep. So we're gonna wrap it up because you guys need to get on to your next lesson. Over here it says it's the guided practice and they want you to solve the problem and use crayons to color. So Hamal is painting a design. The design must have 3 colors with an equal share for each color. So I think you could probably do this at home and show your moms and dads. So you need 3 colors with an equal share. I can already see some options in my head forming, and I'm sure you can too. So that's it for this lesson from Ariana's mom and camera woman Gia. And Ariana, she's gone already, she's gone, but she did do a good job in the basement, super clean. And that was it. What was that? What was it again? Oh yeah, 15-8. 15-8.